There are some nice tools in Excel to help you enter data, especially when it's something like this where you're entering it in cells. And what you want to be able to do is enter, 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 and then move back here to this row here. So the trick here is to use the tab key when you are entering the cells. So for example here I'm going to type Mark. I don't click enter, I use the tab key to move to the next cell. I use the tab key, type the age, tab key again, and here I then click my enter key, and you'll see what it does is it drops down back to where we started, so where the first tab happened. So normal enter, if I click here and click enter, you'll see it just moves down, or depending on your settings it may stay still. But if you use this trick, tab, 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 and when I click enter it goes down so we can enter the next row.